If you're looking for professional, expert car servicing in or around Honiton, then look no further than Car Maintenance Centre Limited. As a well-established company, we excel in all aspects of car servicing and repairs. Our modern workshop is fully equipped with the latest diagnostic equipment, where we can work on your vehicle in a clean and tidy environment. Our experienced, professional and qualified team of ATA accredited technicians, including 2 ATA master technicians, are trained to a high standard, are kept updated with recent legislation and offer an excellent standard of service. Through the retail motor industry, we're also members of IGA Trust My Garage. We can work on any vehicle regardless of age or make, saving you the expense of a visit to a main dealer. Our services include MOTs and servicing, fault finding, diagnostics, brakes, body repairs, air conditioning service and repair, cam belts, welding and much more. Whatever your car needs, talk to the friendly professional team at Car Maintenance Centre Limited. Car Maintenance Centre Limited. Call, email or visit our website today.